Up for auction, we have a Vivitar electronic flash. It says 91 on it. 400 plus flashes, small enough to fit in your pocket. I think the parts and labor is over. For display. Oh, what's this? Small enough for 4 seconds with fresh batteries. Oh, let's see what's in here. I don't know if it's new, used. Well, everything seems to be here. You get the book. Hopefully the batteries aren't in it. Okay, at least somebody was smart enough to take the batteries out. See if I can see that it takes 4 AA's. And then it turns on off. Your exposures. And there's your flash. And that hooks into your camera, I take it. And that slides on. So, I don't know if it works. I don't have a camera to test it with. And I probably need a camera to test it with so I can tell if it works or not. Let you see the dial, the bottom, and the pin. So there you go, that's what we have. It looks like it's got the original box. I don't know if it's used. I'll say it's used. Or, you know what, parts only. I don't know if it's tested. So it's sold as is, where is. If you have any questions, email us, info@currycats.com.